Hello everyone, my name is Michael and welcome to today's video where I will be showing you all how to impersonate different users on ServiceNow. Now the first thing, if you want to impersonate a user, you need to make sure that you have the appropriate roles, which is most likely going to be a system administrator role, but there is an impersonator role that you can actually create a group for, or you can assign users to the role directly, but it's called the impersonator role. So you can actually give this to individual users. Maybe you don't want them to be a full admin, but they maybe need to be able to impersonate users to be able to test out maybe a new application that you built for them. So you could always build this out if you needed to. You can create a group and then add users to it so that they can impersonate users, but then they, the principle of least privilege, maybe they don't need full system administrator rights. So let's say for our example, we have a user. We have a user named Amelia Caputo, and she wants to know why she can't access the change table. She's like, what's going on? I can't access the change table. Typically, that would be a pretty easy answer to find out why they can't access the change table. All you'd have to do is go look at their roles, and you would see that she's probably missing the ITIL role, which may be required to view the change table. But let's say that we don't know that. Let's say we're a new administrator. We don't know to check her roles to see if she can access the change table. So what you can do if you want to get a better idea of what that user is seeing, you would just come over here and click on your icon. So it may be just your initials if you don't have a picture, be in the top right. And you'll click on impersonate user. Then you can search for all the different users on your table. And what will happen is when you impersonate that user, it's going to simulate everything that they see. So I no longer have my administrator rights right now. I only have the rights that Amelia has. So if I were to come over to all, you saw I was able to pull up all on my administrator account. But if I search change, I can't see it. So I'm seeing exactly what Amelia is saying. So this is such a powerful tool when you're trying to troubleshoot why a user is getting maybe why they're running into a certain issue that you can't recreate on your system administrator account because you have different roles. So assuming it's not something that you could find out just by looking at like a user's groups or their roles, or maybe it's some other thing that you just know offhand, oh, that's why this is happening to that user. Being able to impersonate them is going to give you a lot better insight into what's going on, and maybe you could try to find a solution while you're impersonating that user, and then you could pass along that solution to them as a workaround that they can try. All right, guys, so that pretty much does it for the impersonator role. It's really easy to use, but it's a very powerful tool, like I said. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like. Please also consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next video very soon.